Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to get Tinder Premium from your web browser, that is Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the interface. At the top left, here's your profile. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Right here on the left side, you can see some options like Tinder Platinum, Gold and Tinder Plus. Select whichever one you wish. Right now I'm simply gonna select Tinder Platinum and this page will open up. Do note that you can also change to Tinder Gold or Tinder Plus. It's up to you. Well, in this Tinder Platinum page, it's giving me a few options like for 1 month, 6 months or 12 months. I'm simply gonna select 12 months because it says save 69%, but it depends upon you. Once you have selected it, simply hit on continue. Once you hit on continue, this page will open up. Simply enter your credit card details right here. That's the cardholder name, credit card number and other details. And once everything's okay, simply click on buy now. And guys, that's it. That's how you buy Tinder Premium. Well guys, hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.